What's the meaning of Om Mani Padme Hung? Om has three parts that symbolize the body, speech, and mind that we aim to purify. Mani means jewel and represents altruism, while Padme means lotus and represents wisdom. To achieve enlightenment, we need wisdom and altruism, and the combination is represented by the final syllable, hung. Chinese version A my 八面意思是什么？由三个部分组成，象征我们要净化的身与意。麻呢意为宝珠，代表利他心；八咪意为莲花，代表智慧。要证悟，我们需要智慧和利他心，而它们的结合由最后的音节 o 来体现。